There are many characters in my Chinese Radical Grass series, and I'm here to provide a summary video for you to learn them fast. After you finish this video, you'll know 4 characters with Radical Grass and their explanations. Sounds good? The characters are 芒 silvergrass, 玉 taro, and 芬 fang fragrance. Let me introduce myself before we start. I'm Yao, and my first language is Mandarin Chinese. My videos are all about how to write in traditional Chinese and provide character decompositions at the same time. It's informative, and you won't find Chinese characters are complicated anymore. Okay, without further ado, let's start our learning. 芒 is the upper part 草 and the lower part 王 芒 is Chinese silvergrass, and we see 芒草 swinging in the wind in late autumn. Very beautiful. 草 means grass, and 王 implies death. 王 is the phonetic of 芒. 玉 is the upper part 草 and the lower part 鱼 鱼 is the phonetic of 玉. 芬 is the upper part 草 and the lower part 分 分 and 分 are the same pronunciation. 分 means to divide and also a minute. I introduced 分 in my time-related Chinese character series. 芬 is fragrance or aroma. 芳 is the upper part 草 and the lower part 芳. 芳 and 方 are the same pronunciation. 方 means square or rectangle. Yay! It's the end of this video. Do you enjoy it? I hope after this video you'll have an idea about the Chinese Radical Grass. My next video will introduce you to their stroke orders, and you'll learn how to write them with my step-by-step tutorial. See you soon. Bye bye.